What's up, y'all? It is Antoinette. I am back with another Clean With Me video, y'all. Woo, it has been a while. I've been having some technical difficulties trying to upload these videos, but I'm here now. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to stick around and make sure that your notification bell is turned on, okay? All right, y'all, so I have guests coming in, and the patio seems to be the highlight of my home. This is where we all come together to drink, to talk, to have a good time. So it's only right that I go ahead and just clean it up and get it ready for our guests. Right now, I'm just taking everything apart. This sectional is from Wayfair. The pillows are from Big Lots. So y'all, once I took everything apart, I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and dust off my rug and my deck. I don't know why I went ahead and tried to be bougie, y'all. So I hooked up the vacuum cleaner, but I felt as though that was not working. You know what I mean? So I said, you know what, let me just go back to my old school roots, and I'm going to break out the broom for this one. And once I brought out the broom, I was able to sweep up all those leaves, all that dust, everything that was like, you know, my patio was kind of collecting from it being outdoors. And yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, trying to be bougie. Okay, so now that I'm done sweeping, it was time for me to prep my cushions for me to, you know, wipe them down. I'm just going to go ahead and put my sectional back together. And then in the next clip, you're going to see me wiping down my cushions. The only thing I use is my own concoction that I made up, y'all. It is just some warm water, it's some Pines oil, and some Clorox laundry cleaner. That is it, just a little bit. And I'm taking this soft sponge that I got from Dollar Tree, okay? And I'm using that to gently wipe off any spots, any stains that may be on my cushions. And that is about it. So after I finished wiping down my cushions, I kind of just let them sit outside. It was very humid out. It was about, what, 75, 80 degrees. So I just let them sit out to dry, and I just moved on to the next side of my deck. Okay, so moving on to my swing, I just go ahead and start taking all the cushions off the swing, shaking off my pillows. And yeah, so of course this is my favorite swing, y'all. If I haven't already mentioned it, I got this swing from Home Depot. And I don't know what this was, but there was a stain on my pillow. So yeah, I need to get that situated. So all I did was I used the same concoction, the warm water, the Pine Sol, and the Clorox laundry cleaner, and that was it. And I kind of just took the same sponge, the soft sponge, and just scrub the heck out of that stain, okay? And it did come out. Okay, so moving on to the table, y'all. I don't know what happened to my coasters. I think Case broke every coaster I had. I got about 4 left. But anyway, moving on to the table, I'm using my good old Windex here, and I'm just wiping down my table in circular motions using a paper towel. And I don't have any problem using Windex. I've been using it for years, and it leaves my tables and windows streak free. Okay, so now that I know my cushions are completely dry, I went ahead and replaced the pillows. The pillows, the floor ones, are actually from Bit Lots, and the 10 pillows with the tassels on them, I have a set of, I have two. Those are from Walmart. And if I haven't mentioned, the lantern on the table is from Kroger's. Alright, so moving on to my windowsills. Now I'm using the same warm water, a different sponge, and Pine-Sol, and I'm just cleaning off my windowsills. These windowsills was previously painted in another video if you guys watch my channel. But one thing about having white, you just know that it gets dirty fast. So I had to make sure that it was clean. So I'm taking some Windex here, and I'm also just wiping my windows down. And of course, Case always has to help. Look at my baby. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do, y'all, is tackle these dirty curtains, y'all. So again, one thing about having white is you can see every dirt, every stain. So I'm taking my good old Shout, okay? I'm taking a different sponge, a soft sponge. I'm sorry, look at K-Shout. He just has to help. But anyway, I'm taking some Shout and I'm taking my sponge and I'm just going through and I'm just scrubbing off, everywhere that I see stains or any streaks or spots. I will eventually take my curtains off and wash them, but yeah, for today this will do. Oh yeah, and when I'm cleaning outside, I like to take the time to actually water my plants as well. I'm trying to be better, y'all. This is my first time being a plant mom, and I think I'm doing good. All right, y'all. So now that the upstairs is done, I'm going to let my curtains dry. I watered my plants. We're going to move on to downstairs. This is the second level, well, the lower level to my deck that you guys did not see in my previous video. And this is what we're going to kind of go ahead and decorate and spruce up. So I'm just going to start by pulling out the chairs so I can sweep under that table. This table was purchased from Home Depot, y'all. We got it on sale a few months ago. Their rug is also from Home Depot as well. I really do love the rug. It's so pretty, but like anything else, it collects dust, leaves, everything. And we also eat on this table when my husband is grilling. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep under this table. Alright, so once I'm done sweeping, I'm just going to go ahead and add the cushions. These cushions were from Walmart, I believe. And then I'm going to add the pillows. I'm sorry, the cushions were from Home Depot. These pillows were from Walmart. The burnt orange color pillows were from Walmart. And I do love these pillows. And then I'm just going to open my umbrella to give it, to give us some shade. And yeah, it's so easy to do. I really do love this set from Home Depot. If you have a Home Depot near you, check them out because I believe this is even on sale right now at a lower price than we originally bought it for. So check them out, y'all. I think that is it, y'all. So my deck is completely clean and I'm ready for my guests. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please comment below. Until next time, bye YouTube.